Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if magnitude of vector A is 5, magnitude of vector B is 3, and the angle between them is 30 degree, then A cross B whole square is. Now, you know that we guys have studied in dot product that whenever there is requirement of doing square, we should think about the dot product. So here we should think about dot product. So A cross B dot A cross B. Okay. Now think about A cross B. So how we will manipulate A cross B? So we will be writing mod A, mod B, sine theta AB and n cap. Correct? Dot same thing, mod A, mod B, sine theta AB n cap. Okay. Now, so look at this part. Now you have to do dot product. So if you'll observe, this is a number, this is a number, this is a number. So this is a vector, a unit vector, correct na? And here also it is magnitude, 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 and it's a unit vector. Okay. So if you will do dot product, you know that that number will be multiplied with the number, and the angle will become what? 0, and cos 0 will become what? 1. Correct? So we need to write magnitude A square, magnitude B square, and then sine square theta AB. Okay, so if you'll observe, magnitude A is what? 5. So 5 square is 25. Then magnitude B square is what? Magnitude B is 3, so it is 9. Then we have sine theta square. Theta is 30 degrees, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is what? 1 by 4. Okay, now if you'll multiply this thing, we will be getting 225 by 4. Hence the required value is 225 by 4. Now you can digest the fact that whenever there is requirement of doing square, we should think about dot product. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.